In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious cheesy cherry Danish recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe you will need 1 can of biscuits, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 can of cherry pie filling, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of butter. In a bowl we're going to add in the cream cheese and we're going to mash until it's smooth. Now we're going to add in half of the powdered sugar. Add in half of the vanilla extract and mix slowly. Now we're going to take the biscuits out of the can. We're going to separate each of the biscuits in half. We're going to use a measuring spoon to create an indent in the center of each of the biscuit halves. We're going to scoop some of our cream cheese mixture into the indents. Now we're going to top with some of our cherry pie filling. Bake these in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once out of the oven, we're going to let them cool completely. To our powdered sugar, we're going to add in our melted tablespoon of butter. Add in the remaining vanilla extract and the milk, and we're going to mix until evenly combined. We're going to drizzle our glaze on top of our cherry danishes. Our cheesy cherry danishes are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.